Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Air Mattress. Number 5, Coleman Support Rest Double High Air Bed. Extra high design makes getting in and out of bed easier and offers extra cushioning. Soft plush top with support lock reinforced construction for added stability. Airtight system and double lock valve help prevent leaks. Approximate inflated dimensions, 78 by 60 by 18 inches, fits standard queen-size sheets. Supports up to 600 pounds, designed for indoor or outdoor use. Number 4, Gento Deck Air Mattress Twin-Size Inflatable Mattress. What you need: are you searching for a good and comfortable inflatable bed that is easy to install? Quick and easy, our premium twin-size inflatable mattress has a built-in pump that allows you to inflate or deflate it in 5 minutes. This way. Compact design. One of the best parts of the twin air bed is that it's super easy to store. When deflated. Super comfort. The air mattress is made with a highly resistant PVC material that allows for a total weight of 660 pounds. Satisfaction guarantee. We are confident in the quality and design of the premium twin air mattress. Number 3, InstaBed Raised Air Mattress with Never Flat Pump. 2 pumps in 1 bed. The patented Never Flat Pump system silently keeps your airbed inflated all night. Guaranteed. Primary pump automatically inflates and deflates your airbed in less than 4 minutes. 35 circular coils on the queen size and 21 circular coils on the twin size create a strong, supportive. 35 circular coils on the queen size and 21 circular coils on the twin size create a strong, supportive. Queen size inflated dimensions are 80 by 60 x 18 inches. Number 2, Intextura Beam Standard Series Deluxe Single High Air Bed. Inflatable full air bed for home use engineered with FiberTech trademark construction. Features a 2-inch -1 valve with extra wide openings to ensure fast inflating and deflating. This ultra-lightweight bed provides ideal firmness and support for an incredible night's sleep. Dimensions: 54 by 10 by 75 inches, WXHXL, 600-pound capacity. Duffel bag included for easy storage and transport. Note: air pump not included. Number 1, Jufo Air Mattress Queen. A good night's sleep is just as important as regular exercise and a healthy diet. Our Queen Air mattress is 15% thicker than others, making it comfortable. Real Air Mattress Queen 80 by 60 by 18 inches is good size for your friends and relatives. After the party, your friends have an overnight stay request, the Air Mattress need it. Juva Air Mattress comes with a spectacular 3-year return and refund policy. If you are not 100% satisfied with your purchase,